Good morning and welcome to the official first day. We're so lights in this place. The first day of our Disney World vlogs. We are going to Magic Kingdom in like an hour and I'm all dressed and everything, so I'm gonna show you my outfit. So let me show you. It's kind of dark, but let's see if that helps. There we go. I'm gonna do my hair here in a couple of minutes. It's gonna be hot, so I'm gonna put it up. But here is I'm gonna wear a tank top. Got a pink sports bra. This tank top I got from Etsy. It just has magical. And I've got just some like athletic shorts from, I think I got these from Walmart. I don't know exactly what shoes I'm gonna wear yet. But yeah, this is what I'm gonna wear. And then I think I'm gonna buy ears while we're there. So, Shrek is on in the background. We just left the TV on overnight and this is what's on. So, time to get ready to go to Magic Kingdom and have an amazing day. And I'm excited. Okay, I'm gonna go get ready. Our Uber is on the way. I figured I'd do a better outfit of the day. I've got my new Magic Band, wear my heart sunglasses. Got little Mickey things. I did my hair. It's kind of hard to see, but I did my hair. I normally don't wear my hair up, so yeah. And then I'm gonna wear my new princess face mask that I just got not too long ago. That is my Magic Kingdom outfit of the day. We're just waiting for our Uber. And then, oh, you're cute. Hold on. Already. He's all decked out. He's got a Steelers shirt on. And then our little guy. Your Magic Band is the Pizza Planet one. And then, oh yeah, I got this in one of my Walt Life boxes. And then there's this. Aren't you cute? Now we're just gonna go wait for our Uber. Try and put these back on. And we'll be on our way. Michael packed peanut butter and jelly and goldfish and stuff like that. So we won't starve. Thank goodness. Okay, we'll see you when we get there. Well, we're at Magic Kingdom. Well, you have to either ferry boat or take the monorail over. And Michael wants to ride the ferry, so we're gonna ride the ferry boat. So we're almost there. Like literally, probably like another 20 minutes, honestly. Really? I've been looking for these ears everywhere yesterday. It looks funny with my hair out, but whatever. No, I think it does, but it's cute. Got the ears that I wanted, the BaubleBar ears, and now we're on Main Street. It looks so cool with all the like Halloween stuff and the pumpkins and all the decorations. But the best part's about to come up because we're going around the corner to see the castle. It's so exciting. Oh, it's so pretty. So pretty. Last time we were here, we couldn't walk through the castle. Oh my gosh, it is so pretty. Look how pretty it is, cutie. Look how pretty it is. Okay, so look at the castle. First ride we're gonna go on is Peter Pan. So, right? Peter Pan. So we're headed over there. It's so bright I can't really see. But Cedar Bend's only a 35-minute wait. On the app it said an hour, so. Oh my god, King! It's King! It's King! I think next we're gonna go on Splash Mountain since it's already hot. Yeah, oh my god, it's busy down here. How freaking busy it is. It's insane. We got, not that wet, but my hair's all wet. That's where we're going to eat later. That would be our gift. We wanted the souvenir cup, but they didn't have it. But it's frozen apple juice. It's refreshing. So, it's really good. Now we're going on to Little Mermaid.
At the end of every day, there's a great big beautiful tomorrow, and tomorrow's just a dream away.
We just got little anniversary pins.
actually stretching? Or is it
Holy crap! We're waiting for the fireworks, and everything's all lit up. We just got back to our resort. It's 9:30. And honestly, we're gonna go to Wally World again real quick. We went last night. We're gonna go to Walmart because we have a huge, like, big soaker tub. My hair looks a mess since I was wearing that ears all day. Yeah, we have like this big soaker tub. So we're gonna go get some Epsom salt and take a bath because I'm already sore. I sit all day long. I have a desk job, so this is a lot for me. So I'm gonna end this vlog here because we're just going to Walmart, getting that, coming back, and going to sleep. And tomorrow is Epcot, which is my favorite. We almost went there today, but we didn't end up going because it was just a lot of craziness. I didn't really vlog as much as I wanted to during like a lot of the day because it was just busy and hot, like really hot. But I did record tons of rides, so as you saw. But anyways, I'm gonna end this here. Stay tuned for tomorrow and all the days to come because this is only day one of the whole week. Can you believe that? Day one of the whole week. Crazy. So, good night. And we'll see you guys tomorrow.
I know I said I was going to end this vlog, but I actually really wanted to show you guys my new ears. I got these. These are what I've been eyeing this like whole time. They're from BaubleBar. They're so cute. But yeah, now I'm going to end the vlog. Good night.